Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we might know, as we all know, or as we all think, we sometimes think that amnesia is for old people. Amnesia is always associated with old people because we always think it's a disease for old people, but Kesana and Prince KB recently shared on Twitter that he is currently suffering from amnesia, and for him, I guess it's still not that bad because it comes back maybe and then goes off, it comes back, goes off, kanjalo kanjalo. But okay, shared on Twitter with you, he is going through a lot, and this is giving him worries because he is still raising his kids, so he is living in fear to think one day this condition is going to be worse, and he is just worried because he is a dad, he still needs to be there for his kids. This is the post that he posted on Twitter. He wrote, "I suffer from serious amnesia and I'm a bit emotional and frustrated at how my memory is deteriorating, man. I'm scared this will lead to missing life opportunities, which will make me very incompetent, and I hate that. I have some underlying condition affecting my brain. I wonder how long I can keep what is left of my memory bank." And then he also wrote, "Not gonna lie, this is rocking me, man. I have kids to raise." Like, imagine guys, missing out on opportunities because of amnesia, missing out on a lot of things. He is still young, he still needs to see his children grow, he still needs to do a lot of things with his kids, but Kesana, sometimes some things are just out of our control. Let us just put him on our prayers, let's just pray for the best. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.